How to fix Autotune effect missing on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do you want to use the Autotune filter for your TikTok videos but can't find it anywhere? If you see videos on TikTok where users sing or talk with an Autotune effect applied to them, let's see how you can find and use that effect for your own viral TikTok videos. First, open your TikTok application and search for the Autotune effect. If it does not appear in the search results, it's because TikTok does not list it as standard effect. Instead, you'll see videos with this effect applied. To access the Autotune filter, ensure that you have the latest version of the TikTok application installed on your device. This is a new filter, so update your TikTok to the latest version. Once updated, create a new video by recording a TikTok video or uploading an existing one where you're singing or talking. Then tap on the check option and add the autotune effect by tapping on the microphone icon at the right side of your screen. Scroll down to find the autotune effect or filter and tap on it to apply the voice filter with the autotune effect and have fun creating viral TikToks and Instagram reels with this effect. This is how you can fix the autotune effect missing on TikTok. If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing updates. Thank you. See you in the next video.